Hey guys, it's Paul over here. I'm here with Milos from Prestige Wheel Restorations, and
Hello.
today we're working on the EVO. We're actually painting the brake calipers. Now I'm keeping them red, and I want to keep the Brembo sticker on there too. So Milos is going to help me with that.
Done.
You want to explain it how it's
Easy.
done?
So basically, we're going to sand them down, get all the clear off because it's all peeling.
Yeah.
Tidy it up. We're gonna spray the wheels. We're gonna let them dry a bit. Once they dry a bit, we'll put the sticker on, and then hit it with a clear coat over, and yeah, should be good to go.
Yeah, we've taken plenty of photos, and we'll be showing you guys along the way. So we're looking forward to it. Hopefully, it turns out really good. Also, we do have the ABS sensor on the EVO. If you guys remember from the previous video, I've got Milos. We're just gonna have a quick look at it. We're gonna try and fix it, but yeah, we'll try and get two birds with one stone this time.
Done.
All right, guys.
Good.
Milos, cheers.
Done.
Alright guys, now here's the front left brake caliper. It's pretty much the same across all four brake calipers, but as you can see, I wanted to show you how the front has been completely worn and the paint's completely been chipped away and destroyed, as opposed to the back here. You can see the back is still nice and red. All it needs is a bit of a white, but we've got to sand that all down to make sure it's all even. Sand this all down, so when we paint it, it's going to have a nice even layer. It's going to have something to stick to as well. Now that's basically across all four wheels. As you can see, it's just basically the front over here. Alright guys, so we've done the first layer of sanding. As you can see, the layer of dust, it looks already so much better. We did have to take off the caliper pins there, so all you got to do is basically just punch a nail through there and take off the pins, and that actual bracket comes off. And now we're sanding it down. After that, we'll be probably doing another layer of sanding, and then we're going to have to mask this all off, and then we're going to start doing the painting. So yeah. Absolutely amazing. Milos did a really good job. Now we're just taking off the rest of the tape and the masking. Oh, just get used to this gimbal. Looks amazing.
Brand new second hand.
Looks brand new, Milos. Good work. Can't wait to put the wheels back on. And now is just to choose a new set of wheels. It's either we paint the current ones we got there, or we go something completely different. Let's check all around. And also on this side, we did try and remove the ABS sensor. I don't know if you can actually see. Let me just... No, you can't really see from here, to be honest, but I'm gonna turn the flash on and show you guys. Yeah, That looks amazing. Really well done. Very happy with how it turned out. It's the final result, guys. That looks amazing. Now it did actually start raining, so we did get a few specks of rain on the brake calipers while they were putting the clear coat, but I think all around really happy with how it's all turned out. We're just putting the brake pads back in. We're gonna basically put it back in there, put the clips back in, and we're gonna try and work on that ABS sensor at the rear right side and see if we can get that little sensor out. It's being a real pain in the ass at the moment. But yeah. Now here we are at the back, guys. I just wanted to show you the rear brake sensor. Now, you can see we've actually snapped the tip right off it because it wasn't coming out. We've pried it open completely and it's literally stuck inside there. See? Now I'm going to show you guys what it's actually supposed to look like. Here we go, guys. So this is what it's supposed to look like. See, this is the new one. So that goes into there like that. And you can see how deep it is. And it would, I have no idea what's happened to it, but you can see how we've literally forced it open and the rest of it is still stuck in there. We're going to try and drill it out. And yeah, it's a quick update. Alright guys, now this is the final result. I am absolutely stoked with how it turned out. We ended up putting the tips back in. We put the brake pads back in as well, put the little pins there as well. So basically what we had to do is take the wheel off, take the pads off, mask it all down, then sand it all down. We actually did it pretty much two stages of hand sanding. After that we did a machine sanding and then made sure pretty much took as much paint as we could, the old one, and then went ahead and put the second layer on.